Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more trendy and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Beautiful collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women to see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Some ideas, messy hairstyle. So beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. And different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. And so beautiful ideas of shaggy haircut. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of head eye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and different ideas of base colors. And different ideas of base color, and beautiful collection of highlights. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very beautiful. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.